Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Briggs carburetor is probably one of the most essential components for your lawnmower or small engine, ensuring optimal fuel delivery and performance, and today we're diving deep into what makes a Briggs carburetor stand out, why it's a top choice for many, and what you should be looking for to keep your equipment running smoothly and efficiently for years to come. Number 5. LEIMO Carburetor and Air Filter Kit for Briggs & Stratton. This is a premium carburetor designed to replace specific Briggs & Stratton models. It ensures your engine runs smoothly and efficiently. It's compatible with a wide range of Briggs & Stratton engines, including many 122,000 series models. This part is also suitable for various Craftsman, Snapper, and Toro lawn mowers. This kit comes complete with the carburetor, an air filter cleaner, and a primer base. Everything you need for a full replacement is included. The carburetor is pre-adjusted before shipping, saving you time and effort. No additional adjustments are typically needed for installation. Crafted for durability, this carburetor is built to last. It's a reliable solution for maintaining your lawn mower's performance. Upgrade your 4 to 7 horsepower engines with this essential part. It's designed for easy integration and optimal engine function. What we like. This option comes with a pre-adjusted carburetor and includes the air filter and primer base, saving you time and hassle. If you're looking for a convenient, all-in-one solution that's ready to install right out of the box, this is the one for you. What people say. This carburetor is a perfect fit and works great. The installation was straightforward and the engine started right up after installation. It runs smoother than the old carburetor. Number 4. Carburetor for 4 to 7 horsepower engines. This is a high-quality replacement carburetor designed for 4 to 7 horsepower engines. It's built to fit specific models and offers reliable performance. This part is a direct replacement for several OEM numbers, ensuring a perfect fit for your existing engine. It's compatible with a wide range of models. Included with this carburetor are the necessary gasket and O-ring for a complete and proper installation. This ensures a tight seal and optimal function. This carburetor features a no-choke design, simplifying operation for your engine. It's engineered for straightforward use and dependable starting. It is compatible with many 4-cycle small engines, particularly those in the 122000 model series. This ensures broad applicability for various equipment. Please note that this product has been upgraded with additional accessories. If you receive an older version, please contact us for assistance. What we like. This carburetor is designed for engines with no choke, simplifying operation and installation. If you have a 4 to 7 horsepower engine that doesn't require a choke and you appreciate the inclusion of essential gaskets and O-rings for a secure fit, this is a solid choice. What people say. The Briggs carburetor is a direct fit and works perfectly. Easy to install and the engine runs smooth after replacement. The carburetor comes with all the necessary gaskets for a complete installation. Number 3. Briggs & Stratton Carburetor Kit 696065. This is a premium carburetor kit designed to fit various Briggs & Stratton engines. It's built for durability and optimal performance. Specifically designed for 5 HP to 7 HP Briggs & Stratton engines, including models like 110402 and 110412. Ensure a perfect match for your tiller, generator, water pump, or rototiller. Replacing your old carburetor is simple with this plug-and-play solution. While a choker lever adjustment might be needed, installation is generally DIY friendly. If you're experiencing starting issues, declining engine performance, or increased fuel consumption, it might be time for a replacement. This kit is also ideal after extended periods of disuse or if the old one is worn. This kit replaces part numbers 110402-0206 E1, 110412-0211 E1, and 215369. Trust in its quality for reliable engine operation. We offer quick response and professional support from our experienced team. We're here to help if you have any questions during installation or use. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for a range of Briggs and Stratton engines, making it a perfect match for tiller, generator, and water pump applications. If you're comfortable with DIY projects and want a direct replacement that's plug-and-play with minimal fuss, this option is ideal. What people say. The carburetor is a direct fit and works perfectly. Easy to install and runs great. Number 2. Carbhub 799727 Carburetor for Intek engines. Introducing the Carbhub 799727 Carburetor, designed to perfectly replace various older part numbers. Ensure your engine runs smoothly with this reliable component. This carburetor is engineered to fit a wide range of Intek engines, specifically those with 14 horsepower to 18 horsepower. It's a direct fit for many popular models, ensuring broad applicability. Forget compatibility issues. This unit directly replaces part numbers such as 698620, 690194, and 791886, among others. It's the ideal solution for your engine maintenance needs. Experience improved engine performance and efficiency. This carburetor ensures optimal fuel delivery, helping your engine operate at its best. What you see is what you get. The package includes one carburetor kit as pictured, ready for installation. Get your engine back up and running with ease. Crafted for durability, this carburetor is built to last. Trust in its robust construction to provide consistent performance for your engine's power needs. What we like. This carburetor is engineered for higher horsepower Intek engines, ranging from 14 horsepower to 18 horsepower. If you're powering larger equipment like generators or heavy-duty mowers and need a reliable replacement for specific OEM numbers, this kit offers the power and compatibility you need. What people say. The carburetor is a direct fit and works great. Easy to install and runs like new. Number 1. Carburetor for 675 725x 190 cubic centimeters engines. Ensure your equipment runs smoothly with this premium carburetor. It's designed for optimal performance and reliability. This part is engineered to be a direct replacement for several part numbers, including 799871 and 790845. It fits a wide range of engine sizes from 5 HP to 7.5 HP. It's specifically designed for the Quantum 675 and 725X series 190 cubic centimeters motors, ensuring a perfect match for your needs. This carburetor is compatible with numerous lawn mower models, including the 20332 series, as well as pressure washers and generators. Easily replace your old or faulty carburetor and bring your push mower, generator, or pressure washer back to its full power. Trust in its durable construction and precise engineering to provide consistent and dependable operation for your outdoor power equipment. What we like. This carburetor is compatible with a broad range of engines from 5 HP up to 7.5 HP, making it versatile for push mowers, generators, and pressure washers. If you have a common engine size and are looking for a widely applicable replacement that fits numerous models, this is a great go-to option. What people say. The carburetor is a direct fit and works perfectly. Easy to install and runs great. The quality is good and it fixed my problem. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.